Tired of letting potential deals slip through the cracks because you're juggling too many things at once? Let's get you organized and closing more deals by mastering task management in Follow Up Boss in the next 90 seconds. First, navigate to the People page and select the contact you want to assign a task to. Click on the Add Task button within their profile it's usually right above their communication history. A pop-up window will appear here. Type in a clear and concise description of the task you need to complete. For example, call to schedule showing or send over listing agreement. Next, set a due date by clicking on the due date field. Choose the date and time you want the task to be completed. Setting realistic deadlines will help you stay on track. If you're working in a team, you can assign the task to a specific team member using the Assign to field. Select the person responsible from the drop-down menu, or keep it assigned to yourself. Click the Save button to create the task. You'll now see the task listed in the Contacts profile under the Tasks section, as well as in your main tasks list accessible from the left-hand navigation menu. To view all your tasks, click on Tasks in the left sidebar here. You can filter tasks by due date, assignee, and status, such as open, completed, or overdue. Once a task is complete, simply check the box next to it to mark it as done. This will remove it from your active task list and help you stay focused on what's still pending. And that's it. By using the task management features in Follow Up Boss, you can stay organized, improve your follow-up process, and ultimately close more deals. Good luck and happy closing.